Hi, I'm Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. We're doing a series of videos that are discussing various topics concerning the impact from COVID-19 pandemic. In this video, I'm going to talk about the economic impact payments that are going to be made by the government in the upcoming days and weeks, and I've got a series of questions and answers that I'm going to go through. Hopefully this will help answer some of those questions that you guys may be having. Always check irs.gov for the latest information, but this is what we have as of the day and time that I'm taping this video. Who is eligible for the economic impact payments? Tax filers with adjusted gross income of up to $75,000 for individuals and up to $150,000 for married couples filing joint returns will receive the full payment. For filers with income above those amounts, the payment amount is reduced by $5 for every $100 above the $75,150 threshold. Single filers with incomes exceeding $99,000 or joint filers exceeding $198,000 with no children are not eligible. Eligible taxpayers who filed tax returns for either 2019 or 2018 will automatically receive an economic impact payment of up to $1,200 for individuals or $2,400 for married couples. Parents also receive $500 for each qualifying child. How will the IRS know where to send my payment? The vast majority of people do not need to take any action whatsoever. The IRS will calculate and automatically send the economic payment to those who are eligible. For people who've already filed their 19 returns, the IRS will use this information to calculate that payment. For those who've not yet filed the 19 return, they'll use the 18 tax filing to calculate the payment. The payment will be directly deposited into the same banking account reflected on the return filed. The IRS does not have my direct deposit information. What do I do? In the upcoming weeks, the Treasury Department plans to develop a web-based portal for individuals to provide this banking information to the IRS online so that the payments can be made immediately and directly deposited as opposed to checks mailed. I am not typically required to file a tax return. Can I still receive a payment? Yes, people who do not typically file tax returns will need to file a simple tax return to receive an economic impact payment. Low-income taxpayers, senior citizens, Social Security recipients, some veterans, and individuals with disabilities who otherwise are not required to file a tax return will not owe tax in order to receive this economic payment. How can I file the tax return to receive my economic impact payment? irs.gov/coronavirus will soon provide all of those instructions. Because of all of this being so new, some of these systems, online systems, are still being put into place. And that's why I encourage you to check back to irs.gov for more information. I've not filed my tax return for 18 or 19. Can I still receive this economic impact payment? Yes, the IRS urges anyone with a tax filing obligation who's not yet filed for 18 or 19 to file as soon as they can in order for them to be eligible to receive an economic impact payment. Taxpayers in this situation should include direct deposit information on their banking so that that can be done. I need to file a tax return. How long are economic impact payments available? For those concerned about visiting a tax professional or a local community organization in person to get help with your tax return, these economic impact payments will be available throughout the rest of this calendar year, 2020. Where can I get more information? Well, as I said a minute ago, go to irs.gov. You're always welcome to give us a call at the Nomberg Law Firm at 205-930-6900. Our office number is, our website is nomberglaw.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell us why. And if you didn't, we want to hear about that as well. We're always trying to strive to do better. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you get videos as they come out daily or weekly. We also can be found on Facebook and Twitter.